Okay, so it says that for the orchestra seats, I'm going to write that as O. It costs $80. For the dress circle seats, I'm going to write that as C. That's going to be $50. And then for the balcony seats, I'm going to write that as B. These are $25. So in part A, you want to write an expression to describe the total earnings. So I'm going to say the total earnings is equal to 80 times the number of orchestra seats, O, plus $50 times the number of dress circle seats, and then 25 times the balcony seats. Part B, you want to identify the variable and the coefficient of each term and explain it. So this is again $80. These are the number of orchestra seats that were sold. This represents the $50 that the dress circle seats cost. Number of dress circle seats. This is the $25, and these are the number of balcony seats that were sold. So now in part C, we want to know how much will the theater earn if they sell 100 orchestra seats. So O here is 100. They sell 200 dress circle seats and 150 balcony seats. So we want to put that into our formula. So E here will equal 80 times by 100 plus 50 times by 200 and 25 times 150. If we calculate all of this, we will get a total of $21,750. Okay, in part D, we want to know how much the theater will earn if they sell 80 orchestra seats. So O here is 80. The number of circle seats is 250, and then 200 balcony seats. So again, let's do the same thing. 80 times by the 80 seats that they sold, 50 times the 250 seats that they sold, and 25 times the 200 balcony seats. And we get a total earning of $23,900.